A great relationship is about two things. First, appreciating the similarities, and second, respecting the differences. Don't take everything personally. Not everyone thinks about you as much you think about yourself. When you start taking care of yourself, you start feeling better, looking better, and even attracting better. It all starts with you. Pain changes people. It makes them trustless, overthinking more, and shut people out. Never express too much love, affection, or care to someone because it's a human tendency to underestimate anything that's free of cost. People change for two reasons: with their minds have been opened or their hearts have been broken. If someone really loves you, no matter how many other people they meet, their feelings for you won't change. Real love cannot be stolen. Don't fall in love if you have a lot of things to do, because being in love makes you a less productive person. Never give up on someone you really want. It's difficult to wait, but it's worse to regret. Everything happens for a reason. Don't think too much. Trust the process. Everything will be okay very, very soon. People will always notice the changing in your attitude towards them, but they will never notice that it was their behavior that made you change. What most people need to learn in life is how to love people and use things instead of using people and loving things. Don't overshare. Privacy is power. People cannot run what they don't know. If you don't clear your misunderstanding in time, they will become the reason for distance forever. People tend to value memories more than actual people. Sometimes you miss the memories, not the actual person. You don't really need someone to complete you. You only need someone to accept you completely. When you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on solutions, you will see more opportunities. When a woman is attracted to a man, she speaks in a higher pitch than normal. You realize you love someone when you want them to be happy, even if it's not with you. If a woman shows interest in your thoughts and makes an effort to spend quality time with you, it's a sure sign that she really loves you. Never hurt a heart that loves you, because that some heart might never learn to love you again. It only takes a few seconds to hurt someone, but sometimes it takes years to repair the damage. Cherish the heart that loves you, no matter how much it hurts now. Someday you will look back and realize your struggles changed your life for the better.